আমি একটি ফ্ল্যাট নিয়েছি মধ্যমগ্রাম দোলতলাতে। ফ্ল্যাটটি সৃজনের গ্রুপের রিটার্নস। ফ্ল্যাটটিতে 13টি ব্লক আছে, কিন্তু 11 তলা একটি ব্লক, 800 মতো প্রায় ফ্ল্যাট আছে। ফুল কমপ্লেক্স ফ্ল্যাট উইথ গ্যারেজ ফেসিলিটি আছে। আমার এই ফ্ল্যাটটি 1000 ভাগ করে 1070 স্কোয়ার ফিট ফ্ল্যাট। তো আমি কলকাতা ইন্টেরিয়ারের কথা আগে জানতাম না। তো আমি যখন ইন্টেরিয়ার ওয়ার্কের জন্য ভেন্ডার খুঁজছিলাম, তখন অনলাইনে দেখি ওনাদের কাজটা দেখি এবং ওনাদের আগে যে ফিডব্যাক সেগুলো দেখলাম ভালো লাগে। সেই সূত্রে আমাদের ফোন করে কথা বলে আলাপ করি এবং ওনাদের ওখানে চাই যে আমার কাজ কর্মসূচি আছে সেটা ওনাদের কাছে ওনারা সেটা দেখেন। দেখে নিয়ে এসে ওনারা একটা ম্যাপ প্ল্যানিং করেন, প্লাস আমার এখানে এসে সাইডে এসে একটা দেখে যান যে কোনটা কতটা কী লাগবে, কোন জায়গায় কী বসবে বা কতটা এরিয়া নেওয়া যাবে, কী বসবে, কীভাবে হবে। দুদিনকার ডিসকাশনে একটা কাজটা ওনারা কিছু আইডিয়া দেন, আমাদের কিছু আইডিয়া আছে। সেই আইডিয়াগুলো দেখে ওনারা প্রত্যেকটা স্টেপে কাজ করেছেন এবং দুটো জিনিস খুব ওনাদের ভালো। একটা হচ্ছে যে কোয়ালিটি ওনারা যা দিয়েছেন অবশ্যই তাই মনে হচ্ছে যে তাই এখন ওনারা রাখতে পেরেছেন। দ্বিতীয় কথা হচ্ছে যে যেটা নর্মালি আমরা হয়ে থাকি, যারা আমরা চাকরি দিই, যে আমরা যেটা প্রবলেম ফেস করি অন্যান্য ইন্টারভিউ ক্ষেত্রে যে ফলাফল, বিশেষ করে লেবারে এসছে কিনা কাজে অনেক সময় ডিলে করে, আজ আসছে না, কাল আসছে না, একটা কাজের জায়গায় 6 মাসের জায়গায় সেটা 1 বছর হয়ে যাচ্ছে সময়, সেটা এখানে কোনো মতেই হয় না।
Living room interior designing ideas in Srijan Attorneys Madhyamgram, North Kolkata. The owner of the house wanted to give a modern touch to their living room with traditional ornamentation. He also wanted to add more natural light and more greenery to the interior by adding more plants and flowers. Prestige and comfort are apt words to describe this living room. This room is designed keeping in mind a family's comfort and space. The softness of the materials used for designing this particular living room creates an ambience which invites guests to relax in the company of friends and family members. The living room interior designing ideas is created to offer you more comfort and sense of well-being in your home. So if you are looking for a perfect accent to complete your existing home decor or to create a stunning new space, contact us, our designers, today. If you are a homeowner and have an idea of designing the interior of your own home, then we are here to provide you with a list of best interior designers who can help you bring your home to life. This living room interior designing is a spacious, elegant, and beautiful space, specially designed for the customer requirements with budget range. So this design is bound to adapt to our customers' lifestyle. This is a modern, stylish, and elegant living room interior design that is perfect for our customer home. It features the use of white colors to create a crisp look while incorporating some brown accents. The open seating area with sofa, coffee table, and side tables gives you ample space to relax and enjoy yourselves in this cozy getaway. We are a team of Kolkata interior designers, and we are ready to make all the things you want. Our experience will help you in planning.
Friends, check this living room interior designing. This living room, 12 feet by 25 feet total, 300 square feet living room, which our designers designed as per our customer.
We help you to create the perfect living room interior design ideas in your home with our qualified designers and architects. We will design and build a new home for you, meet all your needs and requirements, and cater to your budget. Hello friends, our designers provide the best living room interior designing services as per your requirement and budget or whether your living room space. We create best living room design in your home interiors. I am interested in meeting new clients who have their own budget and need a good design or remodeling of their living room design. We offer interior designing services in Kolkata, Howrah, Hooghly, and other cities. We are a team of professional interior designers who have vast experience and expertise in creating rooms, living room, bedrooms, kitchen, and bathroom, etc. Our services include residential and commercial house renovation and decoration projects. Kolkata interior designers created customer requirements budget living room interior designing in Kolkata, Howrah, West Bengal area. We provide you
কোনোদিনও আমাকে ফলো আপ করতে হয়নি। টাইমে লেবাররা এসে কাজ করে দিয়ে গেছে, নিজেরা আলাদা করে ঘর ভাড়া করে সাইটের পাশে থেকে সময় মতন সকালবেলা 8টা 4টা পর্যন্ত ঢুকেছেন এবং 7:30 পর্যন্ত কাজ করে ওনারা চলে গেছে। এছাড়াও প্রত্যেকটা স্টেপে যে ডিসকাশন ওনারা আগে স্ট্রাকচারটা তৈরি করার সময় করেছেন সেটা আমরা দেখেছি, সেটা যদি কোনো পারমানেন্ট কম্পারেশন সেটা আমরা আলোচনা করেছি। দ্বিতীয় কথা হচ্ছে যে তারপরে প্লাইয়ের কালার সিলেকশন সেটা ডিসকাশন করা হয়েছে, তারপরে রং সিলেকশনের সময় ডিসকাস করা হয়েছে। কাজের যা প্ল্যানিং ছিল তার থেকেও আরও যখন লাস্ট মোমেন্ট থেকে যেগুলো কোথায় আরও কিছু ইনপুট করলে সুইসাইড করা যাবে সেটা ওনাদের থেকে অ্যাডভাইস নেওয়া হয়েছে এবং সেই অনুযায়ী কিছু কাজ আরও এক্সট্রা করে কাজটা করা হয়েছে। ওভারঅল কাজ এবং যদি দেখেন আলিদা ওনার বিহেভিয়ার এবং ওনার আইডিয়া উনি নিজে করে সত্যি কথা প্ল্যানিংটা করে কোথায় কম্পিউটারে গ্রাফিক্স করলে কোথায় কতটা এরিয়ার নেবে এবং কাজ করা যাবে সেটা উনি সুন্দর করে করেন। যেটা খুব আমার ইন্টারভিউ একটা বড় ইম্পর্টেন্ট পয়েন্ট, স্পেসটা কীভাবে প্রপারলি রিপ্লেস করা যাবে সেটা ওনারা খুব ভালো করে গাইড করেছে। তো খুশি আমি বলবো যে আগামী দিনে আপনারা ইন্টারভিউ কাজ দিতে পারেন, মনে হয় ভালোই কাজ করা যাবে।
Friends, check out 11 feet by 10 feet guest bedroom interior design ideas with no false ceiling. This guest bedroom interior design idea has a lot of space to accommodate our guests. This guest bedroom interior design ideas without false ceiling is very comfortable and beautiful. The corner area has a cupola wardrobe, where your guests will be able to get dressed easily while they are staying with you. This guest bedroom design was created for customer wanted to maximize the space and not only have a big bed but also have ample space for guests. The south wall has a 6 feet by 7 feet bed and a side table design, which is well placed in the middle of the room. The north wall has a wall-to-wall wardrobe with dressing table design, along with 11 feet by 10 feet wardrobe designing as our customer requirements. East wall corner 3 feet by 7 feet cupola wardrobe designing as our customer requirements. The east wall features a cupola wardrobe creating more space for storing your belongings. Simple color, friends, you can see how beautiful this bedroom looks. Our designers created this 8 feet by 7 feet U-shaped kitchen interior according to our customer need. We are providing the best quality and stylish kitchen cabinet in low price range. This modular cabinet is made from top materials and durable products. This kitchen has 16 doors and 5 pull-out drawers cabinets which can be used for storing your food items, plates and other items you like to collect at home. Our interior designers are ready to help you with every step of designing your kitchen. Our team has its expertise in making cabinets, appliances and kitchen islands for their clients because we know how to make them usable and functional. Our experts ensure that you get the perfect model according to your preferences. Interior designing is one of the critical steps that needs to be taken care of before moving into a new location. Kitchen interior designing plays a major role in making your kitchen look beautiful and appealing. Our designers created lower and upper kitchen cabinet in light gray and ivory color with modular system. This is a U-shaped kitchen interior designed by our designers as per customer requirements and budget. If you're looking for a wide selection of kitchen cabinets that can be used in your home, we are ready to help you. We will design a kitchen that is both modern and practical. With this light gray and ivory color modular kitchen cabinet, we can make the best choice in your case. If you are looking for an U-shaped kitchen design at a reasonable price, then you have come to the right place. We design modular kitchens that are not just beautiful, but also high in quality and performance at an affordable price. A modular kitchen is designed so that it can be transferred from one structure to another without any loss of space or quality. Kolkata Interior offers a wide range of affordable modular kitchen designs in Kolkata, including L-shaped, U-shaped, open, and Indian kitchen designs. Our team of experts will help you create the kitchen of your dreams, no matter your style or budget. Trust Kolkata Interior designers to deliver quality and affordability for all your modular kitchen needs in Kolkata. Get in touch with us today to start building the kitchen you've always wanted. Thank you for sharing about Kolkata Interior's services for modular kitchen cabinet designs in North Kolkata, Madhyamgram, Srijan Eternia. It's great to know that your team of experts can create customers with a variety of kitchen designing options, such as lower cabinet, upper cabinet designs, while accommodating various styles and budgets. Kolkata Interior modular kitchen cabinets have become a popular choice for many homeowners due to their flexibility, functionality, and style. These kitchens are designed to optimize space utilization, provide storage solutions, and our designers create a comfortable working environment. Our designers have created a wonderful bedroom by using the latest styles and technology and interior decorating so that our customer who intend to spend time in a comfortable room can have it done by our designers. We provide you with beautiful rooms that which you can freely use whenever you want. We also offer different concepts for residential and commercial complexes and houses, if required. We have successfully established ourselves as one of the leading interior designers. We have created a wide range of beautiful and unique designs for homes, apartments, offices and hotels. Our interior designers are adept at providing services to individual customers or enterprises that require customized space planning for their corporate needs. We can provide our clients with fully customized solutions, and their own satisfaction is a top priority for us. Our team has successfully created a stunning bedroom interior design at an affordable cost for our client located in Srijan Eternia, North Kolkata, Madhyamgram. We understand the importance of balancing cost and design, and we were able to accomplish this by strategically selecting budget-friendly materials and decor while still creating a stylish and functional space. Our team carefully considered the client's preferences and developed a design that reflects their personality and lifestyle. The final result is a beautiful and comfortable space that the client can enjoy for years to come. We are proud of our ability to offer affordable interior design services without compromising on quality, and we look forward to bringing more people's design dreams to life within their budget. If you are looking of the best interior designers in Madhyamgram, North Kolkata, look no further than Kolkata Interior Designers. Their team of skilled professionals is dedicated to providing top-notch design services that will transform any space into a beautiful and functional masterpiece. With years of experience and a keen eye for design, Kolkata Interior designers will work closely with you to understand your unique vision and turn your dreams into reality that will transform any space into a beautiful and functional masterpiece. With years of experience and a keen eye for design, Kolkata Interior designers will work closely with you to understand your unique vision and turn your dreams into reality. Kolkata Interior designers created customer requirements budget interior designing in Kolkata, Howrah, West Bengal area. We provide you the best quality and affordable interior designing ideas with different styles of living room interior designing. We are specialized in large-scale projects like wedding ceremony decoration and party decorations, miniature to full-size, corporate VIP lounge, lifestyle area and coffee shop or bar, workshop, office building, home interior, kitchen, living rooms, bathrooms, etc., residential apartments, buildings, etc., boutique/hotel, restaurant, etc.